reconfigure some builds for ClojureScript. A common way to work is to have two builds, one for development and one for production. The development one is going to run with optimizations turned off. So we're going to leave the Google Clojure compiler out of the equation, and we're just going to take the JavaScript directly from the ClojureScript compiler, which, as I said, is fairly readable. Then we have a production build where we output to a single file, we use the full advanced mode compiler, and we compress our code down as small as we can. Another interesting tool is the browser REPL. So if you've worked with Clojure, you know one of the most important development tools you have there is called the REPL, this interactive console where you can type expressions and evaluate them. So it's a lot harder to recreate that in ClojureScript because the compiler lives on the JVM and the runtime lives in the browser. So there's this gulf that you have to cross if you want to run a REPL in the browser. So, you know, this is an interesting sort of hack. It does work. You can use it for debugging, but it's a little bit tricky, and it can be a little bit buggy. So I'll try to show you a very quick example of this. So I have there a window which is running this compiled ClojureScript code that starts the browser REPL, and it defines one function, greet, that's going to write a little bit of text into the DOM. Then my browser REPL client is actually running in a shell, running in the console. So, you know, I can evaluate